Okay, so this is the home view you get when you firstly log into Mentimeter. I'm going to show you how you can set up a new presentation. This is my account. I actually have two accounts with Mentimeter, and it's worth just mentioning because there's a free version. I guess it's like the light version, and it means that you have a limit on the amount of presentations that you can have. You also do get a limit on the amount of slides you can have per presentation, but an easy way around this is to just use a different email address, which I've done, and I have another one that has a whole bunch of Mentimeter presentations here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to create one for a Year 10 subject I teach, and it's called Outdoor and Environmental Education, and this has been on my to-do list, so I'm just going to tick it off and get it done whilst I design this video for you or put this together. So here we are. This is where I'm in the edit screen. What you can see is if you want to add multiple slides to your presentation, you would just click up the top here, similar to PowerPoint. So anytime you finish a slide and you go, okay, if I want to add a second slide in here, you just click on New Slide. When you are over here on the right, you get to pick the different question types that you want. So these are the popular ones: multiple choice. You can do word cloud, open-ended questions where you can pose a question to the class and they can answer it, scales, ranking, Q&A, and then you can see there are some other options down here as well. So yeah, lots of different options. Get exploring and get creative down there. For me, I'm going to set this up as a revision tool, and I'm going to use the scales because I've done this before in the past and it works well. So here I've said that, all right, my first slide is going to be based on scales. I'm actually going to change this, and it's going to be what do you want to revise? Now that was just in there for me because I've typed it in previously, but you can change the title to whatever you want. And then in here in the statements, I'm just going to put the different topics that I asked that we basically cover within topic 2 of this subject. So if you just bear with me, these are the topics that I cover. So I'll just type them in, like I said, because I just want to get this done. Cool. Okay, 2 more to go. And last one, this one here, just if anyone's wondering, this is a numbering system I use, and this has 2 parts to it, that second topic within topic 2. All right, so there you go. There are the 4 topics, 3 to 4 topics that I cover within that subject. And there's my presentation. It's done. If I wanted to put another slide in here, I could do that. But because this is a presentation, I just want, because I want to ascertain what do they feel confident with, and what do they perceive their strengths are, but also what do they perceive their weaknesses of within this topic 2 of environmental sustainability and management. This enables me to be really, I guess, efficient and address student concerns. So up here at the top, you can click present and it'll preview your presentation up there, but I'm just going to click on preview presentation here because this is also going to be able to allow me to show you what actually happens in the classroom. So this is what the presenter screen will look like, and this is the audience screen. So this will be up in the classroom for you on your board there. Students just go to menti.com and they put in that code. Now they can do it on their phone or they can do it on their laptops. And this is what the basically really simple, I guess, voting screen that they get. So they might say, look, I feel really good with these first ones. Maybe the second one here, I'll give it a 2 out of 5. But the 2 things I really want to revise in this revision lesson are the Ramsar Convention, and I want to go over this Marine Parks and Sanctuaries conflict. So if they click submit, what will actually happen is as students do this in the class, you will then start to get this data live. And the more as students submit their responses and you get more and more responses, you'll then get this live updating of data. So it looks kind of cool, the kids like it, but also it's really powerful for you because as a teacher you can go, all right, I don't really need to waste too much time revising these. Let's get straight into these because this is what my students are telling me they don't know. All right, there you go. Really simple. There are lots of different videos. If you have a look up the top here, lots of great videos on YouTube around ways to use it, but that's just a simple way for you to get started. Okay, thanks for watching.